Boeing, amid production challenges delaying the 737 ramp-up, faces critical FAA inspections following safety concerns. The company's resilience is spotlighted as it navigates operational hurdles, while introducing Stephanie Pope as the new COO, signaling a strategic shift in leadership. These developments underscore Boeing's commitment to safety, operational excellence, and adaptability in an evolving aerospace landscape. Boeing is in advanced talks to sell around 80 wide-body 787 Dreamliner jets to Thai Airways after pulling ahead Airbus in widely watched fleet renewal talks, industry sources said. Reuters first reported in September that the carrier was boosting its requirements to as many as 80 wide-body jets and 15 smaller ones, sparking a contest between the 787 and A350 for one of the largest recent wide-body orders from Southeast Asia. Boeing and Airbus declined to comment. Thai Airways did not immediately reply to a request for comment. The Thai national carrier is looking to make the most of a post-pandemic travel boom by bolstering regional routes, but there have been some concerns over the ability of plane makers Airbus and Boeing to ramp up output to meet surging demand. Thai Airways began the restructuring of debt worth 400 billion baht, $11.17 billion in 2021. The Federal Aviation Administration said Tuesday it was proposing 3 directives to mandate engine housing inspections and component replacements on Boeing 737 NG airplanes after a 2018 Southwest Airlines fatal fan blade incident. The directives cover 1,979 US registered and 6,666 737 airplanes worldwide and would require operators to inspect and replace certain components on the engine cowling by July 2028. Boeing has signaled to suppliers that plans to ramp up production of its best-selling 737 narrow-body jetliner will move about 2 months more slowly than originally anticipated, according to 2 people with knowledge of the matter. The US plane maker now expects it will produce 42 of its 737s per month starting in February 2024, according to a new master schedule that Boeing briefed to its suppliers over the past week, the sources said. Boeing's deliveries rose to 56 airplanes in November as the company rebounded from a 737 manufacturing defect, putting the plane maker within striking distance of its annual targets. Deliveries for last month were the highest since June and included 45 737 MAXs and 1 P-8 maritime patrol aircraft, Boeing said, confirming a Reuters report from last week. The company also delivered 2 777 freighters, 2 767s, and 6 787 Dreamliners. Boeing on Monday named company veteran Stephanie Pope to the newly created position of Chief Operating Officer, likely making her one of the top contenders to take over from CEO Dave Calhoun when he decides to step down from the role. Pope currently heads the company's aftermarket business, Boeing Global Services, the only segment to report a profit through the first 9 months of this year, as supply chain issues and cost overruns were a drag on its other 2 units. China's aviation regulator's deputy head on Friday told a Boeing executive in Beijing the airplane maker was welcome to deepen its development in the Chinese market. Boeing was welcome to continue to strengthen exchanges and cooperation with the regulator and the aviation industry in China, Civil Aviation Administration of China quoted Hu Zhenjiang as saying in meeting with Mike Fleming, Boeing's Senior Vice President for Development Programs and Customer Support. If you found today's video informative, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications for future updates. Let us know your opinions and any questions you may have in the comment section below. Your engagement is valuable to us.